How to make an Urban Dictionary definition. Today, we're diving into the world of internet slang and pop culture by showing you how to create your very own definition on Urban Dictionary. If you've ever stumbled upon a term you couldn't find in traditional dictionaries, or if you want to immortalize a word you and your friends use, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating and submitting your own definition. Let's get started. Go to urbandictionary.com and click the user icon next to the plus icon to create an account. Signing in with your Facebook or Gmail account will also create an account in Urban Dictionary. After signing in, click the X button on the top right corner to go back to the main page. Now click the plus icon to start creating your own definition. Before filling out the form, it's important to read the content guidelines to prevent your submission from getting rejected. In the word field, type the word or phrase you want to define. Make sure it's a term that you believe is not already in the Urban Dictionary or one that you think needs an updated or more accurate definition. In the definition field, provide a clear, concise, and if applicable, a humorous explanation of the word or phrase. Urban Dictionary is known for its informal and sometimes irreverent style, so feel free to be creative and descriptive. However, avoid using offensive or inappropriate content, as these submissions are typically rejected. In the example field, provide an example how the word is used. In tags, add the appropriate tags that help categorize and relate to the word's context and usage. In the last field, you can add a relevant GIF. Once you're satisfied with your definition, click the Submit button. You may be asked to enter your preferred username for your account before your definition gets submitted. When it says your definition will be submitted for review, all you have to do is wait. Urban Dictionary reviews submissions to ensure they adhere to their guidelines. It may take some time for your definition to be approved and published on the site. That's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.